new jeans that I got that are supposed to have level 2 padding in the hip and knee and all that, and oh my god, they're so uncomfortable. The fit is literally like, I haven't seen a worse fit ever. Like, why is it so wide down there? That's the weirdest welcome to the channel. I'm just complaining because I'm not comfortable, man. I like riding when I'm comfortable. Whole squad is out. Got my M1000 because I got the backpack, and we're doing, after we go to the meet that we're going to right now, we're gonna be taking my bike to the shop to put on some more titanium bolts. Last time I did the titanium bolts myself, I'm pretty sure I misplaced a lot of them because, as I said, the bike was apart, so like I didn't know where where some of the bolts go or supposed to go. So this time we got the sprocket bolts and nut and like the brakes, and I don't have a torque spec, so we're just gonna take it to the shop and get it done there. That's after we go to the meet. But yeah, let's see, this meet is supposed to be like really lit. I wasn't really feeling it, but the boys wanted to go. I was like, we got a group going. I was like, why not, we'll go. And then I'll stop by the shop after to put on the parts. I already put the engine bolts on myself. I'll have him torque spec it. Yeah, it's just annoying. The knee pads are like so uncomfortable. I don't know. Maybe they need to be broken in. But look at it flapping everywhere. V4R on the M1000, V4S in the S1000, and the R1M. Again, a nice group out riding. Was like cramping up with these jeans, they're so tight. I wanted to remove the knee pads when we get to the spot, but they're on the inside. I have to take my pants off. I don't know if I should do that at the meet. What is going on there? Seems like there's a lot of people. Not enough people. Porsches. Literally. What is this, a Porsche meet? RS. Oh, what's inside there? That looks like the fun stuff. Not a bad meet. Nothing too crazy, but it seems like it's just a more like, I don't know. I don't even know what you call this type of meat. Huh? Are you gonna leave your helmet on and walk around? I don't know. I feel like we rode around. There isn't really anything that crazy.
I wanna go on the inside. Nah, the inside's sick.
Yeah? Alright, we'll go inside, I guess.
Titanium bolts?
Yeah.
They expensive?
Very. Very expensive.
Are you wanna go inside, Jason?
We'll walk inside?
Where's the backpack?
Hmm?
Where's your backpack?
I have more titanium bolts. Everything's gonna be titanium. Yeah, so I'm taking it over. I'm supposed to be there at 6:30. So we got time. We'll be here for like probably 10:50 and then dip out. The new titanium bolts on the engine covers. We'll see. He'll put on the rest for us. Let's go. What?
You look like a nerd.
What? Because of my pants?
I'm not used to you dressed like this.
What? I'm wearing my merch, homie. What are you trying to say?
Like the pants.
I know. You miss my knees?
I miss your knees. Let me feel the knees.
You can't. It's padded. This thing is mint. Not exhaust. This is very interesting. Like, what's going on here? Oh, this is the showroom. I see what's up. I see what's up. So it's like a Porsche event, I guess. Very custom Porsche. Very expensive ones, I guess. Yeah, this is, oh my god, this full carbon one. Very different vibes. Not as much craziness and revving. This is more of a like bougie type of meat. This one's sick. Convertible. Alright, I think I'm gonna pause the video here and we will continue. Oh wait, we gotta see the Iron Man. That's cool. That's so cool. I know, right? Bro, this thing looks expensive. Like high quality stuff. One day we'll get a man cave and we'll put one of those in there. Alright, I'll pause the video here and we'll continue, I guess, when I ride back or something. It's cool to see like some, you know, like random custom cars, but I don't know, I'm not a big fan of like the events that are kind of like too organized and too quiet, you know what I mean? Like there's no action. It's a lot of traffic and I'm late for my appointment, so I'm gonna just focus on the ride. But I hope you guys enjoyed this little meet. If you did, please drop a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out and ride safe.